Hi everyone, this is Kiko Vlogs, si Filipino actor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang Ash dress compilation. Hindi ako makamove on, mga mami. Sa totoo lang, hindi talaga ako makamove on. So yeah, without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ganda ng boses ni Ashtin. Okay. Ang lala. Ang lala niya, Mi. Grabe, kain na kain. Kain na kain. The term. Sorry sa term. Sorry sa term. Hindi na maulit. Patingin. Bakit kasi pinatay yung ilaw? Ay, akala ko kinis niya, hindi pala kinis. Kinis, diba? Oo, kinis. Kinis niya talaga. Hinalikan niya talaga, ma'am. Wala. Is this in Araneta? Araneta nga. Vivarcada. Punong-puno, ah.
Everyone here in the Viva
Ito.
family, we're so grateful for each and every one of you. You know, we know that you guys, some of you traveled a long distance to get here today. We know, and we really appreciate that. And for all the fan projects that you guys do for us, thank you so much. Your unwavering support is really, truly cherished to us.
Ganda naman. Ganda yung speech, ah.
To our Viva family, Boss Vic and the Del Rosario family, Boss Vincent, Boss Val, Boss Veronique, and Tita June. Maraming salamat. Because if it wasn't for you guys, we would not be here on this stage today. Right, Ash?
Tama. At saka sobrang na-appreciate namin na kahit sino yung tumutulong dito sa stage, ay nag-cheer talaga kayo. Kaya maraming salamat po.
And lastly,
Ay. Atake. Go. Ashtin Olviga for today's video.
really proud of you.
Ay, sana all proud.
Ash, I truly want to say that I truly appreciate you, And starting my journey, I wouldn't have wished to done with anyone else.
Oh. Si ano lang pala talaga.
You are not only a blessing.
Si Ashtin lang pala talaga. Gusto talaga niya. Si Ashtin lang pala talaga.
That being said,
Ay, kinilig to. Kinilig.
nagulat ka ba?
Na-speechless ako. Wala akong masabi, pero...
Ay, atake. Atake naman pala sila. Sana all kasama. Ay, atake. Atake siya, oh. Ito. Mas malapit. Sa'yo lahat yan, Ashtin. Sa'yo lahat yan, Ashtin. Hello. Ay, atake. Halika na yan. Nagwawala sila, Mi. Ito ibang angle. Tingnan mo naman, tinginan silang dalawa. O kala mo naman talaga walang bukas. Pari na lang talaga ang kulang, sa totoo lang.
Mas madalas ko pa siya makitang makipag-bonding sa mga halaman kaysa sa mga tao. Sayang. Cute
Ay,
sana.
teaser number 2. This is their teaser. May teaser 2 pala.
Nakasahuran ka ba rito?
Ay,
Tsaka
ano?
Botos, extracurricular?
I'm really into plants, especially flowers.
Oh.
Para sa'yo.
Ang ganda ng kanta. Thank you, teaser, ha? Ay, bakit naman? September 24.
Kailangan bigyan ng mga bulaklak. To be honest, medyo kader-der.
Kader-der.
Ano naman kader-der dun?
Kader-der.
Grabe, usapan natin chill lang tayo.
Ay,
I love you!
ay. Atake. Atake sa I love you. Gusto ko yun. Minamahal. Love it. Okay, what's next?
And
Lastly,
lastly,
tinan natin. Pari na lang talaga ang kulang. Pari na lang talaga ang kulang. Sa totoo lang. Sila na. Sila na.
really proud of you. Ash, I truly want to say that I truly appreciate you. Starting my journey, I wouldn't have this done with anyone else. You are not only a blessing to my life, but a blessing to many others here today.
Ay, atake.
So with that being said, thank you.
Ang ganda ng pagkakakanta niya dun sa part na yun. Totoo lang. O, atake sila, mami. Hindi mo kaya. Inatake nila tayo. Totoo ba? Okay. Ay. Anyways. Anyways, that is our for today's video. Our Asterisk compilation. This is Kijima Vlogs. See you on my next vlog.